And I want to explain to the chair. Chair, from the 6th of July, I'm wearing General Mkhwana's. From the 6th of July, I'm smelling General Mkhwana's. And this is the first opportunity that I'm getting to explain myself. And I'm going to do justice to that. And I'm pleading with you to give me the opportunity to do that. Considering as well that he has gone to the commission for quite a long time, piling the accusations
on a point of order,
and
Chair.
so on.
On a
So
point
I'm
of-
responding to those.
On a point of order.
Let me take, because I didn't want you to debate the
On a
matter.
point of order. Chair.
Let me take the two hands, Honorable Malema, Honorable Skosan.
No, I don't think you explained properly to a minister. We're not leaving. We're asking how long will you take to respond this question so we can break for comfort break and come back. You are still with us. We can be here until 2 in the morning. Don't worry. We're just asking for comfort break.
I would say, thank you very much for that. I'm very, very comfortable. And I'm subject. I thought that you were saying go and you want to break. So I'm obliged to your direction, to your directives.
Yeah, I wanted
But to finish just the reasons.
to say to you that
The reasons.
because you have listed reasons.
Yes.
So I wanted to know how many reasons now are left for you to conclude that part
Okay.
so that we can give you a comfort break.